Hello, hi, good morning. Hi, welcome to the our mapping session for what we gonna trade for this today and also for this week. So my focus will be for today trading. So as usual, my name is Fidaus. I'm from Octa MyMoniez. So welcome to the just a new joiners or whoever already follow us from the back from the start. So today as usual we gonna look for what idea for trading idea. Trading basically is a trading idea. What is we gonna do for this today particular, what we gonna look what is the pair have opportunities for us to do the execution for entry. What are the chances, what is the pair, what is the what we look up for pair that have chances for us to trade to for today. Basically we are using Octa. I'm right now I'm using Octa Real 2. So for guys who don't know me, my name is Fidaus. I'm trader with OctaFX. So daily to daily routine is to give you an idea for trading idea. So okay, let's go for basically the first thing I will do is I will look up for calendar of the day. So basically I will look up to Forex Factory. Don't worry guys, I will put the link below. Sorry, it's not for Forex. Put the link on the description. This video will be uploaded into our channel. You guys can follow our channel at MyMoniez. You can open YouTube and type MyMoniez. You can look up into our channel. So we have several video there that we provide trading idea from time to time. So you can subscribe and don't forget to share this video if you think this video give you an idea how to trade for day to day. And please comment below if you think they have maybe you can put some new idea for me, what I have to do in my live trade or this mapping. So you guys can comment in the comment box, comment area. And also I will put some what is my reference link for what I used as my reference to trade. So this one of the thing I used to look into forexfactory.com to see what is the economic calendar for today. Basically you can see for 1 week for what is the projection, what is the news gonna be released for this week. So let me focus for only for today because we want to have intraday or maybe scalping position. Basically today is Tuesday, November 9, and likely the for I think for quarter 4 basically the volume is not so volatile because it's already on in nearly end of the year. So most big traders such as central bank, they are already take out their positions for their audited for that year, for this year. So basically November and December the market is not so volatile, so we just looking for intraday scalping to intraday position because we don't practice for swing position at this month and for the next months. All right, so we're gonna look for today. Already passed a GBP, already passed BOE, government barely speaks, and already passed FOMC member Bowman speak, and FOMC members even speaks. This data release is regarding for I think a speech, more to on the speech, but we are looking into whether it's on dovish or hawkish tone. So most the likely they are speaking very naturally, they are playing safe in their speech, so we don't have any exact I think what we waited for data release, so we are waited for them to give exact date where when they are going to spike the rate or hike the rate for interest rates. So that's the economic maybe analysis are looking for from them to give exact date. So basically we will know from the Powell speak. The Powell already give a hint. They maybe no hike rate for this year. Maybe they are looking on the middle of next year, maybe somewhere in May or June. They are particularly waiting for, because this COVID-19, the impact is still there, and they're afraid they want to recover first the economy before they are going to hike the rate for USD. So guys, that's the hint, the USD, but eventually the USD is still strong in this strong it's still under bearish moment. Still on the bullish moment, still on the, I think it's not bearish, it's a bullish moment. So we look into maybe next economic calendar projection, which is in 6 p.m. Malaysia times. This is in Euro, this is sentiment, this is economic sentiments, and another one is German TU economic sentiment. So we are looking, I think I'm gonna look for USD for today, because I'm gonna look my eyes I think look into these three data release. So for today I'm going to look for PPI, core PPI, and another one is a Fed chair Powell speaks. So what we're gonna look for today, I gonna look for, maybe my prediction is USD going to be strong for today. So we're gonna look pair regards USD, but it's either USD in the front or USD in the backs. So mostly if USD, we are looking for pair USD, is we call for major pair. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look for this particular, we're gonna look into the time frame, into the platform. So we just look into Euro USD. So I cancel back in my we are going to, okay, let's see. So if I predict USD will be strong, so my prediction will be in the bearish moment, which is we can look for sell position. So what is the idea for today? This is the zone we are looking for. If I drag the trend line here, the trend line still show bearish, in the bearish movement, so downtrend movement. So we're gonna wait for this particular price to enter the box here that I draw as a safe zone area. So we're gonna look for this to enter this one, and we will come down here. So if you look into the trend line, if the price is break on this trend line, as such as technical analysis, we will say they are already break out this trend or this downtrend, but they might be, I expected this might be as a false breakout here, then everyone expected to buy, then we are looking for sell, because on the based on this data release, I predicted, if you can see, they are forecasting PPI, the numbers is up from the previous, also going to cause PPI, the numbers is 0.6 compared to 0.5 previous. They are expected forecast 0.5 from from 0.2, because if actual greater than forecast is good for the currencies. So if this data follow back the forecast, yes, USD will be strong for today. So that's why we are looking up for bearish movement, that we can wait for sell position in this box, in this box area. So you guys can place your pending order here. You can layer, but always calculate your money management. You always calculate this, don't exceed 10% of your capital. If you already draw down your first capital, you can use up to 30%. Okay, the risk area, I will put this line, 15 feet from the safe zone area, safe zone box. So the safe zone box itself is around 44. Sorry, it's not here, my mistake is here. So the safe zone box is 22 plus our risk area is 36. So we just waited for this price to climb up into this area, and they will continue for bearish movement, whereby we can look for sell for short position. Okay guys, this is my first mapping for today. So we're gonna look for AUDUSD. Okay, AUDUSD, what we have on AUDUSD. So we look up into hash for position. So this is hash for position. Same goes to, we just wait for this area, if you look into this trend, the price already break this support area and come back and be, this is the line is support become resistant at this area. So price, I think twice try to break this resistance area, but it failed. So my prediction for tonight, maybe around 6 p.m, price will going up here to the safe zone area, and continue the journey to have a downtrend position, because when we see here, price is still in downtrend position. Okay, so we just look into this area, and boom, it fall off. So my SL is in this area, my SL in this area. I put the previous high price before as my stop loss area, and if you guys don't have a big capital, you can always use your cut loss. So you can put cut loss somewhere in here or here. So the SLA is 0.746 88. So from this price to coming to this zone area is around 29 pips. So my advice will, you don't have to buy now, because we want to like mess up our position, so we don't mess up our entry, our trading. So we just gonna look for one particular direction, which is I looking for sell position. Okay, so that's already two thing. Okay, we're gonna have another, we're gonna look GBP USD for our last trading idea for today. And maybe some of you don't understand what the technical words I been said. Don't worry, you are slowly can catch up when you follow me time to time. So I will explain. If you don't understand, you can comment below in the comment area, so we can explain to you better. And for GBP USD, so what because GBP USD from here to here is around. So we're gonna look for GBP USD for today is at this area. So price will climb up here to here, and also will come down to here. So our SL will be in this area. This GBPUSD, the SL area is bigger than the other two, EURUSD and AUDUSD. And my advice for those who have a small capital, don't trade on this pair. Yeah, for those who have like slightly have a bigger capital, so you guys can consider this pair to make your execution entry. And for those has small capital like $100 and below, so my advice will be the suitable pair for you to trade is AUDUSD. So this because the risk zone area is not so big. From here to here is around 20 pips only, so you can stand by your PO on this area is 0. This is belong to AUDUSD. You can stand by your PO pending order is on the 0.74482. So always practice your profit more than your risk. Is your put your risk is around 21 or 20 pips. So I think better way, you always have a 1/2 ratio. 1/2 is mean your risk is 20 pips, your profit you take at least the minimum is 40 pips from the level that you entry. Always have 1/2 ratio. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. This is the mapping that I provide so you. Okay, I will end this session, so we will meet another session on the next session. So we have like one slogan: let my money work for your money, guys. Okay, bye bye, thank you.